Hello, today I'm going to show you how to properly set up the CNAME DNS record with Volume and Home.pl domain provider. So I already have one of my domains configured in here. I will keep it just to show you how to verify your configuration after the DNS is propagated, but I'll create a new one from scratch. So I'm going to Home.pl panel and I'm going to the domains section and I need to go to my DNS records management. So I'm going into the DNS records of my domain and what I need is the domain name. So I'm going to volume, I'm going to the settings and the domains section. I'm hitting add custom domain and I need to create a subdomain for the main one. I will use analyze for the purposes of this video. So I've got analyze dot my domain. I don't need to create any content subdomain on the domain provider side. I'm hitting save and process, and Volume will generate two records for us, and we need to set up two separate records. First is analyze my domain, and the second is a unique one for the certificate record name. So now in the home panel, I'm hitting add new record. I'm choosing the record type to be CNAME. The TTL, the lowest possible, I'm using 30 seconds. And now my host is the subdomain I've created. So here we've got analyze and Home.pl adds the rest of the host name. So we've got analyze.mydomain, same as I've got on volume side. The domain record value, I'm copying the value from here and into the canonical name, I'm just typing it in with the dot at the very end. We don't have the dot on volume side. This is not a typical approach. In this case, we are just manually adding the dot at the very end, and I'm hitting OK. And my new record is already created. We can see that we've got the host pointing to our target. So now I need to add the second record. It's also the same name. And I'm copying the first part. And I have to paste it. But as you can see, this final part is already added by Home.pl. So we just need to get rid of it. We only paste this prefix. The dot is already in here. TTL 30 seconds, and the canonical name is our record value. So I'm copying it, pasting it in here. There is a dot at the very end already, and I'm hitting OK. Now, how can I verify if it's correct? Simply, I'm taking this value from the host. I'm opening my dnschecker.org. It didn't copy, so I can copy it from here actually. I paste it, I'm choosing CNAME, and I'm hitting search. As you can see, it's already pointing to the proper record. This value is exactly the same one as provided by Volume. Let me check the second one. I'm copying the second certificate, CNAME, search. We can see it's not yet propagated, so we simply need to wait. Usually it's up to 12 or 24 hours. We just need to observe it and make sure if it's propagated. We can also remove this dot at the very end to check it. We've got the same result, so we simply need to wait a little bit for this certificate to be propagated. Now, once I hit done, as you can see, they are waiting for the propagation. But I can check this second record, which I've set up yesterday. I can go to the edit part. Here it is. And I can copy these values, paste them, look up the CNAME, it's propagated. And I can copy the second record as well. Also CNAME with the dot at the very end. I'm hitting search, and as you can see, it's already propagated, and that's why Volume is showing me that it's connected and issued. And that's all. Thank you.